Well, we were interested in taking part of this because we serve a lot of patients who have heart failure and usually some other medical problems that go along with it, like diabetes, for example. So we were interested in giving the patients the best care that they could get in the hospital that really prepared them to go home.
When you leave the hospital, you have a diagnosis of heart failure. We want to make sure that we set you up to succeed when you go home. Many times people who have heart failure are extremely ill. They have more than one illness, and we know that a lot of the medications that we use to help them, sometimes without close monitoring, can hurt them. And so we want to follow them up very closely. We want to make sure that they're transitioned to the community. And since it's a chronic disease, a lot of heart failure treatment is the goal is to get the patient to recognize their symptoms and to self-manage and to call when they have issues. So that's what we've learned. It used to be years ago we would give the patient all kinds of information, and now we've realized that if we keep it simple and just to the basics, like weigh yourself every day, watch your salt, call us if you have symptoms. When we do that, that actually it turns out that the patients understand that so much easier. The providers are called more frequently, and that's going to keep the patient out of the hospital.
The education that the nurses were doing with them really gives them the key points that they need to take with them to improve their health and to move them forward in their satisfaction with their life and how they're feeling. I think that was one of the things that nurses really keyed in on, that they needed to start to really ask the patient what they were getting out of this, what did they understand, and do their own checking about, okay, they got it or they didn't, and now, so we need to continue to teach this topic if they didn't get it, and okay, they got it, we can move on to a new topic.
I think the key was that we had a lot of people that were interested in helping the patients, from the nurses who did the daily heart failure education. In fact, they actually developed the education for the patients. And so every day you were in the hospital, somebody was talking to you about what are your symptoms, when are you going to call, what's your weight, and just trying to have this ongoing dialogue with the patients. So that was super helpful. Case management was very helpful in helping transition the patient to the community. The providers were seeing patients within 1 week, which is extremely hard to do because, as you know, how people were being seen during the lunch breaks and at the end of the day or at the beginning of the day. So everyone, I think, realized how important it was to support this project, and I think that's why it was so successful.
That when leadership decided to participate, it really indicated to all of us in quality, in nursing, within the medical staff.
And what I've noticed is the patients having some pride in taking some control over what their care is. So often someone in the hospital feels like, oh, they're telling me what to do and what I can eat, and so when we're able to teach them so that they can begin to take control over those decisions, that's very nice to see.